Get ready to go on an exciting adventure investigating the world of crypto security. We'll go down the inner workings of the strongest hardware wallets available in this video, revealing their secrets and giving you key strategies to protect your digital riches. Prepare to protect your money better than ever before. There is always a chance of losing cryptocurrency, no matter where you store it on controlled exchanges, in lending services or in software wallets. Events from recently highlight the risk associated with depending on others. Choosing a hardware wallet is essential for the highest level of security since it gives you a complete control over your assets and reduce the possibility of unwanted access. Let us now explore our list of top 5 hardware wallets that are currently gaining market share. It's crucial to remember that this is merely a selection chosen from personal experience and knowledge. It is by no means comprehensive. Introducing the Trezor One as a pillar of stability and security in the hardware wallet space. The Trezor One has been around for a while. Created by Bitcoin Labs, a well-known personality in the Bitcoin world since 2013. This gadget has proven to be a reliable defender of digital assets. It provides wide interoperability and supports a wide range of over 1,000 coins and tokens, with XMR, XRP, and EOS being prominent outliners. Installing the software, connecting the device to your computer, and following the instructions are the only complicated steps involved in the setting up the Trezor One. Thanks to features like a 24-word seed phrase and PIN code protection, customers may feel secure knowing that their money is protected from theft or loss. To further improve security, Trezor now provides the option of passphrase protection at $55. The Trezor One is an appealing choice for both novice and seasoned users because it provides economy without sacrificing security. As we continue our investigation, we come across the Trezor Model T, the ultimate advancement in hardware wallet technology. The Model T raises the bar for security and functionality with its bright color touchscreen and its expanded coin support, which includes those that were not included in its predecessor. This flagship device, which costs $250, is a significant investment, but it offers the best protection for your digital valuables. The unique Shamir backup, which provides increased resilience against data loss or theft, is one noteworthy feature. The Trezor Model T is still a strong option for discriminating consumers looking for the highest level of ease and security, even at a premium price range. As we enter the Ledger world, we come across the Ledger Nano S, a little but mighty hardware wallet that is reasonably priced at $59. The Nano S provides strong security features to protect your digital currency holdings, together with easy Ledger Live software and a secure element. Users who are worried about the security of their digital assets can feel at ease knowing that this gadget, despite its small size, is powerful. Its storage capacity is limited though, so people with large cryptocurrency portfolios would find it limiting. Still, many cryptocurrency fans who are looking for a dependable and reasonably priced hardware wallet solution choose the Ledger Nano S. For those embarking on a quest for a harmonious fusion of affordability and mobility, the Ledger Nano X is a tempting option for anyone seeking a balance between cost and portability, since its $149 price tag makes it enticing. This device is a pinnacle of convenience without compromising security, thanks to its enlarged storage capacity and the appeal of Bluetooth networking. Its wireless capabilities bring a new era of accessibility by enabling customers to effortlessly manage their cryptocurrency holdings while on the go. But behind its elegant appearance is a stronghold of security reinforced by Ledger's well-known security protocols and can meet the needs of cryptocurrency and powerful infrastructure. For those looking for a flexible and safe hardware wallet solution that can meet the needs of contemporary cryptocurrency management, the Nano X presents a strong value proposition even though it costs more than its predecessor. Ultimately, throughout our exploration of the hardware wallet market, we came upon the Keep Key, a gadget that was given new life in 2017 by Shapeshift. At $49, the Keep Key is an appealing entry point into the hardware wallet security space, making it a popular choice for cost-conscious individuals who want to strengthen their cryptocurrency investment. However, the Keep Key's limited coin support and larger form may moderate its attraction despite its low price. Although its ability to offer a safe haven for a selection of well-known cryptocurrencies is excellent, users with diversified portfolios or particular currency preferences may be put off by its incapacity to handle a wider array of digital assets. In addition to this, the Keep Key is still a respectable choice in ever-growing field of hardware wallets for individuals who value ease of use and accessibility. Complete compliance with strong security protocols is essential while evaluating hardware wallets. This means only purchasing gadgets from authorized vendors, carefully preserving seed word, using passphrases for additional security, and using caution when talking about cryptocurrency holdings. In conclusion, the Trezor Trezor One, a tried and true wallet that offers security and adaptability but has restrictions on some well-known coins, receives a strong 4.5 stars from us at 99 Bitcoins. Please leave your thoughts about the Trezor One in the comments section below. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies, stay ahead, get unique material, news updates, and professional insight by subscribing or following. Your encouragement keeps us passionate about providing insightful content. Be sure to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell. Get a subscription right away to ensure you never miss a beat.